Is this thing on? Hello? Hey, my name is Zach. I'm 29 years old. I live in Washington, D.C. It's like 5:30 in the morning and headed to work. My job requires a lot of travel in the car, and I spend a lot of time listening to podcasts, making phone calls to friends and family, and dreaming about what it would look like to travel the world. I love my car. It's a 2014 Subaru Outback. Everything I own pretty much fits in this car. Everything I need fits in my backpack. This summer I turned 30 years old, and so what would it mean to pack up a bag and travel the world for 50 days to 5 continents? I can only imagine it'd be nothing short of amazing. This year I'm looking to do something adventurous, something that gets me even further out of my comfort zone and that allows me to see the world in a way that I haven't seen it yet. So what would friends and family say? It's a great question, so I put it out on Facebook and Instagram and got a few responses. This is what they say.